Affirmation of the principles of international law recognized by the Charter of the Nürnberg Tribunal. General Assembly Resolution 95, I, of the 11th of December 1946. The General Assembly recognizes the obligation laid upon it by Article 13, Paragraph 1, Subparagraph A, of the Charter, to initiate studies and make recommendations for the purpose of encouraging the progressive development of international law and its codification. Takes note of the agreement for the establishment of an international military tribunal for the prosecution and punishment of the major war criminals of the European Axis signed in London on 8 August 1945, and of the Charter annexed thereto, and of the fact that similar principles have been adopted in the Charter of the International Military Tribunal for the trial of the major war criminals in the Far East, proclaimed at Tokyo on 19 January 1946. Therefore, affirms the principles of international law recognized by the Charter of the Nürnberg Tribunal and the judgment of the Tribunal. Directs the Committee on the Codification of International Law established by the resolution of the General Assembly of the 11th of December 1946 to treat as a matter of primary importance plans for the formulation, in the context of a general codification of offenses against the peace and security of mankind, or of an international criminal code, of the principles recognized in the Charter of the Nürnberg Tribunal and in the judgment of the Tribunal.